What's up, y'all? Let's glamorize some pumpkins. I bought me two pumpkins for like $4.99, small ones. Got some acrylic paint, added on my brows, my lash line. And I like multiple colors, so I got my pink, my lighter blue, and then my darker blue. There you go. And I used my QTP adhesive eyelash to mark my dots to put on my rhinestones on my eyeshadow. And I guess on the lash line, gotta switch it up. Super easy. I use my Q-tip. I apply some water on that tip to help me pick it up. So that's helped. And Mod Podge to just add a nice gloss and seal everything in. That's paint on my nails, y'all. And boom, look at the end result. Ooh, she bossy. And had to add some wigs on that thing. You know how I do. Glamorize pumpkins. All right, so hit that bell button, rate, comment, subscribe, follow, like, all that good stuff, and chime down below and let me know what are your thoughts. This was my first time. Be easy on me, but I'm really proud of the outcome. And when you see that glitz and that glam, that thing sparkling, you know how we do over here. Look at that. I am very proud of QTV. I did a great job. Look. It reminds me of me, but that's the flavor, that's the sauce, that's the secret ingredient to the whole recipe. Is you add yourself in that thing, and it turned out beautifully. Mmm, I like it. It's just different and it's unique, bold. I've never done anything like this, so it was my first time. Give me a break. Mmm, QTP. Yes, that's me. No, it's like, I wanted to share the rest of my life with you. You're reaching out to me, so I'm reaching out to you. So leave me a message and I'll call you back. Leave me a message and I'll call you back. QTP. Yes, that's me. Ah. The rest of my life with you. You're reaching out to me, so I'm reaching out to you. Rate, comment, subscribe, watch my videos.